Optical fiber. Classification of optical fiber. Basically, optical fiber in two types, है ना? Step index and graded index. And step index also classified in single mode and multi mode. Similarly, graded index is single mode and multi mode, but here I only discuss the multi mode. So, the first starting the step index fiber. Okay, the diagram here. The x-axis is the distance and y-axis is the n. N means refractive index. Look at this diagrams such as core and such as cladding. Okay, n1 is the diameter refractive index of core and n2 is the refractive index of cladding. Okay, optical fiber and n1 greater than n2 fulfill the condition, and the radius A of core and radius B for cladding. Core and cladding. And first define the refractive index. Refractive index changing abruptly at the core cladding surface. Abruptly change, but form of step. This thing is a step. Is called the step index. Okay, but uniform distributed core and uniformly cladding, but interfacing space is abruptly change. Okay, the basic define the single mode step index fiber. The very thin diameter we are mentioned here. The diameter of core is 4 micrometer. Okay, and the two diagram are here. First is the mode propagation and second is the cross section area. So N1 and N2 is the cross section of core and cladding. And this diagram where the mode of propagation and single mode it's very thin because of a single line is propagated in single mode. Okay, where we are known as also zero mode, N1 and N2. And next multi-mode step index fiber. So we increase the diameter of core. We have mentioned here diameter of core is near about 100 micrometer. Okay, the first is the mode propagation and second is cross section area. We have mentioned here. According to size, this size is very small, but it is increasing. And the light propagation, the form of step. Okay, because of step change. Okay. Then number of modes propagate in this fiber. Okay, here is two waves, but the number of waves is inside the fiber. It's called the multi-mode step index fiber. Okay. Next is the graded index fiber. The mention here the diagram is here. This is the core. Okay. Very similar to the statement, just like a distance, refractive index, N1 and 2 for gliding refractive index. And A is the radius of the core, and B is the radius of gliding. And the core refractive index is non-uniform. The basic difference between the core diameter is non-uniform, gradually decreases. Okay, center से क्या हो रहा है? Gradually decrease हो रहा है. Okay, made in core is different from layers. The refractive index is change, center is other and different. And radial distance, according to radial distance is change. And so here is only discuss the multi-mode graded index optical fiber, the cross section area, and this mode. The basic difference on the multi-mode step index and multi-mode graded index. This is a step form, okay, but is a gradually. Just mention here is gradually. Okay, so called the multi-mode graded index fiber because of the different diameters of core and cladding. This is mentioned here. First is 50, 125, 100, 140, 20, 62.5, 125, 85, 125 means numerator mentioned here is the core diameter and denominator mentioned here means cladding diameters. Okay, so continue. Next point is V number, most important related to the step index and graded index and multi-mode single mode. So An optical fiber is characterized by one more important parameter known as a V number, which is more generally called the normalized frequency, okay, of the fiber. We represent the V equal to capital V equal to 2 pi upon lambda root over n1 square minus n2 chi square, where A is the radius of core already mentioned in the previous diagram, and lambda is the free space wavelength. Okay, 2 is numerical value, pi is as constant, n1 is the refractive index of core, n2 is the refractive index of cladding. Okay, this quantity already discussed in previous cases. This is called the numerical aperture. We are mentioned here Na, and other formula of in form of del and refractive form. So del is equal to, so n equal to n1 under root over 2 into del. So V equal to 2 pi upon lambda, and other formula because of numericals. So for V less than 2.405, the fiber can supported only single mode fiber. Okay, and V greater than 2.405 can be, the fiber can be supported multi-mode fiber. Then quantity of 2.45 is most important. The value of V equal to 2.405 is known as the cutoff wavelength lambda c of the fiber. Basically most important, and many maximum time answer question in main exam. And the condition, okay, the first condition, the maximum number of modes, and number of modes means nm, supported by step index fiber, a sign of step index fiber. So n maximum equal to 1 by 2 into v square. V is the V number. Okay, and graded index to n maximum number of modes supported, V square upon 4. The most important in for numericals. And next topic is the attenuation. The attenuation is a losses of the fiber. So we discussed on last 2 point in attenuation and dispersion. So, but simple verification of the firstly is the attenuation. Attenuation, the ratio of the, basically define the ratio of the output power from a fiber of length capital L to the input power in so the decibel per kilometer means dB per kilometer. So most important formula, alpha equal to 10 upon L log base 10 है ना, may not may, pi upon po. Pi means input power, po means output power, L length of fiber, and 10 is numerical constant value according to formation of the scientist, and alpha equal to, alpha means attenuation, in unit is decibel per kilometer. Okay, well, similarly the next the dispersion, basically pulse dispersion. Okay, also is unit the nanosecond per kilometer, and just like a single is overlapping, and I mentioned here notes. Okay, thank you. Complete the optical fiber.